이메도 뭐 들어라 추고 우주도 진짜로 다저 선거에 타고 이런 모습 지난 지세랑 야다 봉사들라 배지바 탐지 기회서 선물로 본 거예요.
Now follows the limited practice of rejoicing, which begins from the 6th verse. In this degenerating time, you strove for learning and attainment and made your life of leisure and endowments meaningful by abandoning the 8 holy dharmas. O protector, in your great and magnificent deeds, we rejoice from the depths of our hearts. In general, we should rejoice through all the wholesome activities of self and others. And rejoicing is an opponent to jealousy, without being admired to someone else once someone else the wholesome activities. If one becomes jealous, and then this is great the unwholesome.
Me away Chado Majevache, Gago, Tindiga, some Gaujuna, Hansuna Chibusavio.
And without being jealous, without being jealous of others, the wholesome activities and good qualities, instead, if one admire and appreciate their wholesome actions, and then one will accumulate in a great stock of merit.
Chado singing the Giola Allah, the Chisi Gala in the Chado Chio Mari. Siki told the Michi Jobo Consul Sobaju, Chila Jujala Juna, Hochi Chung Sumam and Lusa, Kutimajun Choba Asama with Chado and Divachimbuyo.
Not only that we should develop mind jealousy for spiritual activities, but also we should not develop this jealousy mind for others worldly the worldly developments. Such for instance, if someone is very rich and many the resources, material resources, and then if one develops jealousy and thinking how one is not able to bear his or her good life and so forth, and then they're thinking that how good it would be if their excellencies be damaged and decreased, and then this is a very negative thought. And stick to this speaking, and then we shouldn't be jealous of others, the wholesome things. Instead, we should be meditating and practice, this appreciation and admiration. Most of us here have already made a promise and a pledge of the leading sentient beings to all sentient beings to the Buddhahood, and through the developing the mind of enlightenment already. And we have our spiritual responsibilities are to develop the great compassion, love, and superior intelligence. And also we develop our thought of the removing their inner sufferings and to establish them in a state of happiness. And while we have this thought, even the sentient beings themselves have achieved some the good life and other the good things, and then it is we need to feel happy and joy about their developments.
Da na je je gewa de chi ge ne be to sang gong song ge be nya ne ka ri chi ge na ta na shi be kan de ji le ma je ne be gewa de mi ge ju na so ju bang zi ji jing ge chu ne ta ti ya shi ra le san ni ta ba ni gao ji ho.
And the beings are listening to teachings, contemplating and meditating on these teachings, and also if they are doing their recitations and also if they are abandoning the killing and other negative actions, then we should feel happy and joy about their practices.
世界他们这东北的这呢，三界啥子各个因是来属于圣洁，就是说就三界他就帮助下呢，对不对？这个因是上啊，他将是个东北人才。
And we have already taken a bodhisattva and the mantra vows as promising that I will relieve the sentient beings' suffering and establish the happiness, and through this I will lead the sentient beings to the stage of Buddhahood.
如来本身三界如果说，现将是都可以。马这话那大概这么多，那个我们什么，新鲜两人的那个是不是新鲜两人的三界上面各个因是开联动，他新鲜可能说的三界头下个就是钱那个要求去的，这个个嘛我们些，查到钱的呢，可能就给大大清楚。
And they're repeating and saying that through the power of this my merit, may I able to attain the Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings, and also in the saying that sentient beings are not rescued, may rescued, and may I establish sentient beings to the state of nirvana. And but on the other hand, when if we develop the jealousy of the development of sentient beings are the contradictory.
现在现上新鲜分的几年呗，我当时开联下呗，差不多那个时间，个都请我肯定是开联当员呢，现在现在是得老些个用人家的来说呢，这搞不就是那个可以来老些个嘞，这个那些我当时新鲜他就三界啥都不觉得，三界三段七八没帮过的下呢，开忙不联菜，开联菜的印象，那新鲜三界啥都可以，两个切的就有的的。 那可能说三界头下个头去接着接，是没那种情况以上，这搞不过吧。
And even if we have developed in the mind of enlightenment, if the sentient beings themselves put in a great effort to achieve the enlightenment, and then we should feel happy and joy because sentient beings themselves are working to achieve the enlightenment.
这这咱六月给了几人，十几岁人模样的，六月给了几人，我是讲六年提的，几把药工了几人是几把吃不的，这样子就不能要的，稍微不要自己嘛。
And in some verse it says, "I rejoice in the wholesome actions of the migrating beings," and in some other some practice like we do recite it says, "I rejoice in the wholesome actions of superior beings and migrating beings." And when we say I rejoice in the wholesome actions of the superior beings and migrating beings here refers to ordinary beings. And superior beings here refers to the beings who have achieved superior path, Arya path. And the superior here principally referring to Buddhas. And also includes the Buddha's children or son or daughter who have achieved superior path. And also it includes this the solitary conqueror of a learner and solitary conqueror of non-learner. And also it includes the superheroes of hearers of learner and hearers of non-learner.
Soba se de rambi chancho ma to che langa logor wa langa be no ne be ni de bhabal hoba se tholam julam ni le logi yo de jo to de me lo bare sta go bare de bu to sar se na lo me lo ni je su jo su julam da cholam de lo su jo lama shu gu su jo ne yo re se ne ya sanje se da ni tu na do lo me lo da lo gong ji se da ka la ma she tanda jiwari jiwagyo jiwani nan didio lona sanje da simjing ge dibe sakala suji nebe gyo kaje sagi yo bati apore sande ji se ro bongi hijo.
And also it includes the beings who have not entered into the path and which rejoice in their wholesome activities altogether. There are the five the different beings of performing the wholesome activities. All these five types of beings included within two: superior beings and ordinary beings. And then we are saying that I'm rejoicing in all their wholesome activities.
That since Tanja Giola Iran Bongo Allah Sabrodenti Nani Hime to the Matu Dula Jus Parisani Hime to Chusing a Kubu, Chusing and the Pashe Mongo, Chuju Twenty Menzoke. When you Nima Tawa Nima Sinima, Sinja Nima Hima Sabro do it in the law, the Chusing and the Hajan Kala Kaburi. The Nuku to lay in the Hime to the Madu to Duval Zuma Muyori. Besatan Besas only Bishamon to a chicken. To the Julian Giovanni chicken. Hime to the Matu Dulas.
And not only in these, but in this degenerating time, there are many beings who strive for learning and attainments. And in this the degenerating age, there are five degenerations, such as degeneration of views and delusions and eons and others. And then while this we are in this degenerate time, there are many beings who strive for learning, and some also seeking for attainments.
世界崩溃就有些，世界崩溃的有些的了，相当也有的。世界上面崩溃界崩溃，台湾界你们天津的对面跟马东话，等于有个界去世界跟的技术的。
And they make your life of leisure endowments meaningful by abandoning 8 worldly dharmas to interpretations. This means that someone who has already found the 8 leisures and the 10 conducive endowments make the life of the human life very meaningful by abandoning 8 worldly dharmas.
那当去了，你世界崩溃，没空么界崩溃。 台湾界等于是我嘛的，没空么界崩溃，台湾等于几个人，可差你老外可以好嘛的，对，世界崩溃的，一定世界崩溃可过，身体就年数些的吃过，没年数些的，当然我们去这看的，一定来送的，起码可以要嘛的，我这代表一定世界的崩溃是，但就是没得武器，被等于个钱呢，起码平时可以有那有个钱可过的，但等于就等于钱是，特别去那么大个钱了。
And those who abandon those who abandon 8 worldly dharmas and make their life meaningful, and this is only done by the pure practitioners of the dharma.
但现在讲呢，这个因为对你这种练呢，这的那个对上公送个主办年龄的送的看。 근데 지금 이거가 주야고 시작을 사버드는 배가 시에네 지된 취재 중도 마다와 지된 취재 뻥는데 전제 나게 셴버제네 셴버 로네 대주 등요 요가 정해티 시작이 야고가려 가버려 신도는 야고래 삼아시 아 라버드 연구고 주의가 현재버드 지세랑 오시다 지단이 지금 그 초문에 좀아지고 그냥 마다 바기 시제에 들 러브 신제버 템베드 러브 신제버 무슨 디인제버 먼저 온것도 지나서 토지하고는 좀아지게 가도 이해를 마다 비신감 내려와 나스베지 내가 솔로메다와 상하도지 대바다 아니 서모 오메다와든데 사지 때문에 팀만 사지 정화 나시게 마다 비신가 봐 인사를 빼고 토지에 다전 제바 나시게 어디는 다자 타는 체만 제기요 Tenaga Javala which is some Sanjugu Yul and Devate, Shiraki, which is son, those goes.
And there are many the beings who who make their life, human life of leisures, 8 leisures and 10 continuous endowments are very meaningful through the learning and through the attainments, and so we should make we should admire for the practices, and also some beings are not allowed to be influenced by the 8 worldly dharmas, 8 worldly concerns, and for those we should also feel the admiration, and we should feel happy about the practices, and especially we should rejoice in the great magnificent deeds of the protector Tsongkhapa, and we should rejoice in the wholesome activities of Tsongkhapa all the way from when he made a promise in front of the Buddha Umberto, and the thing that just as Tsongkhapa made a promise to help the sentient beings in the degenerate time, and and to spread and to maintain the secret mantra teachings and middle way view in a similar way, that all these the predictions and promise will come into true. So for this the magnificent deeds of you in Tsongkhapa, such as spreading the teachings on the secret mantra and the middle way view throughout the world, and then I rejoice you from the depths of my heart. And the first line, that when I say in this degenerate time, the beings who stop for learning and attainments, and then they make the life of the leisure endowment meaningful. This is a general explanation. But in the first line here, many should refer to Tsongkhapa and saying in this degenerate time, you stop, as we have it is in the translation, you stop for learning and attainment. And it was quite a degenerate time when Tsongkhapa was appeared in Tibet, and even there were many scholars and meditators. They couldn't really they go into the deep in the subject matters of Buddha's teachings, and that allowed them to understand and practice and the 4 sets of Tantra. Even those meditators and scholars do not understand the precise meaning of perfection vehicle, such as Paramita Yana, and it was Tsongkhapa who illuminate and the entire the teachings on the perfection vehicle of paramita, and also at that time when Tsongkhapa was living in Tibet, and there were monks and nuns who wear the robes, but who cannot enumerate their vows and just wearing the robes. But it was just Tsongkhapa who also illuminate and the vows of the pratimoksha vows, and also there were at that time there were many beings who have taken the tantric vows, but those even didn't know the list of the 14 root downfalls, and it was just Tsongkhapa again who illuminated this secret mantra, the teachings. So in this the verse that I have recited says that Tsongkhapa had then illuminate the teachings of both the perfection vehicle and the mental vehicle.
그걸 아니 다시 거야기 추구 나자한테 저도 동안 해서 내가 나한테 레벨을 정해요. 나한테 가리 이 레벨 가리 심해요.
And when Tsongkhapa, before Tsongkhapa appeared, and then beings who were in the robes and don't know what there are many patches on the yellow robe. They don't know what are these symbols, and there are two different patches and they don't know what is the other patch and so on.
다 나생게 아니 주변 나서게 뭐 마셔봐. 하나 동가 요마 동가 제대로 치기 들어 싸도.
And also they didn't know the symbols of three in the yellow robes, and at that time there wasn't any this donga upper garment of the monks. It was the Tsongkhapa who who invented this donga.
그래서 그랬으니 매도 내가 맞아 저 사고 맞아 캠을 서던 거도 donga 세대 송 donga 세대 가리 어디 뭐 송이 있는데 donga 아주 파데지 제대로 되는 죠 너무 집이는 위 주주지를 donga 봐 주주신 내내 봐 수주지요 그제도 마주네 니네 아버지 치워리지요 그 너무시 쉬어지 다들 그거 너무시 암조치 롱바고 그거 소리지 대해야지 너무시 봐봐 너무시 때문 선거에서 때문 말이버 매제니 쥐어데 수수하다고 맞아什么 동바지 배 제다고지 배 때나 컴네 때문 말이버 제니 쥐 때문 너무 배 고바 관을 바와시는 관을 천저요레스 저지디 송요但也就等个这个三大些就图几个就是他什么就是呢接入些那么多上来配合的啥也不就是说对对配说阿么就是这阿么就开嘛先把接入些那连那些对吧配用就去了配的啥那接入些提出去啥但是两不是这路上都没有中的是可以那么多上来配合的等于也还中文的是没从中国有啥提上偏不两不讲是没有中国的两不是没大有그래서 너무 대 제가 되게 지레니 다들 손이 어디라 샹고 제지 지부소자 네 동가데 인조 강가로 거신바데 제rum시 가진세 다 기도가 가진세 다네 신우시아보는 기도가 세고리 제rum시 가진세 강가로 거신 다 때를 고진자 제부지 수주에서 네 지레 뭔지데 강가로 거신이요래 그러면 미쳐다도 내려 마파유 지레수 못사르고 지레 지레 뭔고요래데 바다리에 동가데 드레스 모임 버렸어 당연하죠 고제도와 건초로 고제들이 네 말이 강요 고제도와 건초로 이제 예전에 저거요 말에 그러나 여름에 고제도가 지금도 와 그래서 자지도 그래서 주네 그래서 한번 매자 주도 제가 말아서 야 세부 건초로 저거래 마음 건초 만도서 주도래 저도 인생 기시만이 저도 세우고 민도가 공원 지회는 세우 찾아도 자살되는 저도 때문에 신고를 뒤에 들랑도 개운 같이 그래. 나로지 여름식에 송이 내 샤도 단세 타트 티지게 보야게 팀어서 요지 요케 요강나 뒤샤요 송이. 나 고전도가 그러면 Maranzo lega long ju chima do yamare kuje do kon long ne yabu kai mi do nge ma gon sumare sonsa ma sure 제가 배워 매대 다 long 양이 지도요 파지 방송 초 재미 있어 알아서 가 보고 키면 줘요 자가를 거리 수치는 자가 거리치 자가가 누구에 동요래 미 따동에 나고 자가 미 따동에 뭐요래 그래서 왜 직수다 터데 만나고 이제 되게 레디네 그래서 배다 거리치 모습으로 용 두사들삼에 되서 사차 자가 그때 버려 타나시비 자가 출통 동안 아주 자가 신예미라도 배대요 거리치 모습으로 와 되게 좋은 여자 되다 자가 사토를 되네 출통 신배대가 되게 요 말에 저거 나도 지루고 그요래 제가 나오는 와도 터요 말 거기 인사 지루고 되고요
And there was two interpretations of this Dengga, and it is said by one ex-abbot that depending on how we wear this Dengga upper garment, and it looks like the elephant, the color of this the side of this Dengga looks like the elephant with the tusk. With the trunk and small eyes, and it is said the elephant symbolizes the ignorance, and now it is said that this the elephant, the elephant is this Dengga is worn in the shape of this elephant, in the having peeled the skin of the elephant, in order to symbolize the gaining the wisdom of understanding the emptiness. So this is one interpretation of this the Dengga, which looks like the elephant shape. And there is another historical statement of this Dengga. One person tried to offer this Dengga to Tsongkhapa as an inauspicious sign, and then that man passed this Dengga to another family, and then the family lives in the Pampo, and then that family then offered that Dengga to the Tsongkhapa, and Tsongkhapa wanted, and then Tsongkhapa said, "This Dengga looks magnificent, and then it's called Pampo. Then in the name of that, the town is called Pampo. Lempo. And Lempo is very nice and nice looking, so it's called Pampo is named the town, and Lempo is the name of that family. So Pampo Lempo, and this is still existing in Tibet. And since then, all the monks and wear this this Dengga, but strictly speaking, it is maybe from the point of view of religious system, it is Gelugpas whose kindness, then this the Dengga is able to available for monks and nuns. But these days, some the people wear this the Dengga with the brocade, very magnificent brocades, and it is not very difficult to wear Dengga with the brocade, and but we in the Tibetans are refugees, we are begging for, so it doesn't look very nice wearing a brocade, the Dengga on it, and His Holiness Dalai Lama said in Missouri, he have in this old brocade Dengga, very fancy cloth in his trunk, but it doesn't look nice. We Tibetan monks and nuns wear it because we are asking for the others to help, and also we are refugee, and so he said it doesn't look very nice. So Dalai Lama can, if he wants to wear, he has this brocade Dengga, but he doesn't wear it because of the reasons that were mentioned, and this there are various Denggas, and there's some wear this yellow Dengga. This is in accordance with human tentacles, which the sailors wear like Ishikawa-san is wearing that, and also the red one is the wearing red patch is worn by in accordance with the Yume Tente College, which I and Geshe Kuncho's system wear it, but I don't wear the red patch one. So anyway, in India, the Muslim monks do not wear this brocade, this the danga, because they feel they are refugees, and so that they don't wear it. And also Indian government is very kind for the Tibetans, because even they hired land to live, and so they offer all the food supplies to the Tibetans, and sometimes also Indians are treated quite badly when they look at the Tibetans. They stare at the Tibetans, but as a whole, and then the Indian people and government are quite kind to the Tibetans.
So there
are the two the symbols of wearing this danga, upper garment of the ordained nuns. First, the symbol of this danga is that that it has the shape of a head of this elephant. So then one has eliminated this. One is trying to eliminate this ignorance of darkness by means of wisdom of understanding the emptiness, having peeled the skin of the elephant, like this ignorance. And another interpretation of this symbol is that when one is wearing this danga in the morning, then one should think that one is under the mouth and the trunk of the Lord of the Dead, and then to be mindful of death and impermanence. And when the Tsongkhapa was in Tibet, and then he mastered all the 3 sets of basket, particularly the Vinaya or the disciplines, and also he mastered the secret mantra and the teachings, and at that time the learned one, another learned one was Putin Tamche Chemba, and then he was also even if he was very wise, and he was not sure about the 15th root downfall of the 14 root downfalls,